Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to draw a door in AutoCAD, which is I'm going to teach you with this video in plan how to draw it in plan. So let's say you have a wall of, let's say, 6 inches, which is like a generic wall in your buildings. It might be more, it might be less, but I'm considering that as a 6 inches. And your regular door sizes you should be keeping is 3 feet, which is generally good and generally very ideal. So let's say you are keeping it uh, 3 feet, and your walls are 6 inches thick concrete wall. So first what you will do is, first will come is 2-inch thick frame, which will be drawn like this with a rectangle, and same you can just copy paste on the other side. This is your 2-inch frame which I've made that connects to the wall right over here. If you know want to know the details of the frame, it how is it connected with the wall, then just comment down, I'll teach you that also. So after this it will become is that how much size is this? 31, right? So 2 inches, 2 inches from both the side, which is 2 feet 8 inches. So after 2 feet 8 inches, we'll make again, this will be 2 inches thick, and then we'll just end this. We'll put it in proper layers, which is our frame layer, which I use indoors also. So I've just did it like this. Then we'll make a arc right over here. We'll just have to set it up, and that's it. Your door is ready. If you want to give a nice look to it, just add a threshold to it too. The inner line will always be dotted, so because it's not seen in the plan. So this is what your this is how easy your door can become, just in 3 simple rectangles right over here and 1 arc right over here. So that's it for the video, and thank you for watching, and share it with someone who may need it.